let's get into super cool newsy stuff. If you're not a social media or web guru, ninja, expert, fanboy, hipster, addict, or wannabe, you're probably also not in Austin, Texas this week. And that's because all of those that I listed just now have been flocking down south this week to get to the kickoff of the mother of all internet-loving conferences, South by Southwest Interactive. Check out southbysouthwest.com or just get a Twitter account.
Engaging Gen Y, as well as get the 411 on Twitter marketing. Tweet at Chevy Life to let us know what drives you and stay up to date with all the South by Southwest news on Chevy.com/South by Southwest.
Show me things I've never seen.